What's going on, everybody? Welcome to another Hammock. Hammock. If you're new here, thank you for joining. Glad you're here. All right, I'm out in another location here. It's pretty. Might not have the friendliest reputation, but doesn't matter. We're out here in peace, and we're giving out peaceful vibes, and everything will be okay, like they say. It's a little wet over there. So they're out there eating their fill of mosquito larvae, which is good. And tadpoles and whatever else. This place is all boarded up. They would have had a nice view of this. There's a dock behind their house. Come out to one of these docks here. Have a look. Beirut. So it looks like behind me. Look at all the fish. You guys can see that. They look like sunfish. Sure, the water's still nice and warm. It's a beautiful day here. It's a weekend. I don't know if you can see these guys flying. Well, I just ate some of them. A little spicy. I think I found my spot. This looks like it's a good spot. See the floodwaters. Yeah, I don't know if this is gonna work. I'm looking for alligators or any other things that go bump. I could actually hammock in between these poles here. There's a lot of garbage around here. This one was clean. I just don't want to be so close to somebody's car and have them thinking weird things. Since this area is very residential, you know, I don't want somebody to come out and say, hey, what are you doing here, dude? But you're gonna find me. I'm gonna take my time. But I hope you guys are doing well today. It's beautiful out here. The weather's incredible. It's mid-October, and it's probably like 79 degrees right now. Still a lot of stuff in the way here. Be careful I don't step in something that's gonna poke through the old crocodile-doodles here. What is this? Looks like someone went skinny dipping. Had a good old time here. Wow, I can't believe it. This place has absolutely no ideal spots. Like everything is still flooded. So I like can't get in there. See behind me? And that's horrible. So what to do when you're in a location and you're unable to hammock? What to do? Leave. And that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna have to call it a day. It's too wet. Nasty out here. I'm gonna scout out some new locations and see what I can find. It's just not ideal.